Hey guys, and welcome to my channel Pakya Reviews. Now from this video there would be a couple of changes that I'll be making again on my YouTube channel. First of all being that I haven't really paid attention to the banner of my channel. So there is no channel art that has been created. Now the second thing that I'll be focusing on is which you might be able to notice right now is why the hell is he speaking in English. Now there are certain reasons to it, one being which is good for me and good for you, and the second thing being certain technical reasons. For those technical reasons you need to actually check out my Instagram because I update everything on the Instagram. So make sure you check that out, the username of which will be appearing on the screen right now and also the link to which will be in the description. So make sure you check the Instagram out and make sure you follow that, because there will be every time I update what is gonna be next on my channel and what is happening right now and the reasons to what everything changes, why everything is getting changed. So the main reason that I'm switching back to English is because being a technical related channel, being my niche as tech, it is actually harder for me to convert everything into Hindi and bring it out as a simplified version. Being used to English since the beginning, it is easier for me to convert it into the most simplified version and give examples to make sure you understand things. So that is one of the reason for technical thing. I told you need to check the Instagram out, and make sure before we begin the video, if you haven't really checked out the video for this thing, make sure you check that out. I got this Bluetooth headphone on 17th October and it's the second time only that I'm charging it, and it's pretty amazing. And if you don't know me better, my usage level is extreme, like at least 8 hours a day, and it's the second time that I'm charging it. So you can see it's pretty amazing. Make sure you check that out. Card for which would be available right now on the top section, make sure that also, and let's keep it on the card because otherwise the description will be full of links and you'll be confused. Now let's start with the main thing, that is WhatsApp Pay. Now WhatsApp Pay in the most literal sense is a payment feature from the WhatsApp Messenger application. It is a bit ironic how Mark Zuckerberg is coming up with a WhatsApp Pay feature, and payments need to be secure. And Mark Zuckerberg, if you already don't know, was questioned recently about the leakage of users' data for Facebook. So it is gonna be ironic that Facebook is launching WhatsApp Pay feature in India. So make sure if you're enrolling yourself for the WhatsApp Pay feature, make sure you be careful because your transactions might be leaked. In the most literal sense, there might be certain transactions that you might regret. There might be certain decisions that you might regret in the future, like I am right now. So now let me tell you how you need to enroll for this WhatsApp payment feature and when is it gonna be launching in. So let me first of all tell you how to use that, and then I'll tell you when it is going to be launched in India. So now the first thing that you need to do is, I'll also put out the photos here so that you can understand better that when you need to enroll for this feature. What you need to do is, when it is available, you just need to go in the settings for your account, WhatsApp account, and there in the settings options, the list of options, there will be an option called payments. You need to select that, and there you can begin with getting your bank account link. Now it isn't something that you can link any of your bank accounts. The bank account that is linked with the same phone number that your WhatsApp account is registered on is going to be linked to your WhatsApp account. Now if you have an account that you have on a different number and your WhatsApp is registered on a different number, then you need to actually change your number to enroll in the WhatsApp Pay feature. Now when you have added your bank account, you have done all that stuff, you went into that feature, you clicked on that feature, you registered your bank name, and then you registered the bank account details, everything is done, UPI is set. Now what you need to do is how you need to use it. Now if you have got any friend who's in, man, return my 20 bucks, he keeps on irritating you, and you're like, okay, come on, I'm returning you back, take it. So what you need to do is go on that chat section, open the account, who you want to send the money to. And as you know, you have office pin icon where you click to share your location or gallery photos and other stuff. There you'd be able to find the WhatsApp's pay icon. So there you need to click on that, and there would be a dialog box, or there would be a new page that would be opening, where it would be like you enter your amount, and you enter your amount, and then the next thing that you need to do is, as you click on continue or tick mark or okay, whatever it is, as you click on that, you'll be asked to put your UPI pin. So now what UPI pin is, all those who have actually been using phone pay, Paytm, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, and other payment online payment features, they might be able to know what is a UPI pin. So that in the most literal sense, to give you an idea, it is like a online like key pin to get to give the money to like pass out the transaction. So for that, as soon as you enter the UPI pin, automatically you'll see that you'll get a there would be like as soon as you share a location, there is a dialog box in the chat that gives you an idea that you have shared the location. Same way, there would be a small box that will be showing you the amount of money that you send the person to. And if you're gonna be using it on a regular basis, like there are a lot of payments that you have done, don't worry that how will you track it out, or how you need to know from the bank statement and all. Nothing to worry about. On the chat status and call section, there would be a new column that would be getting added, that would be the pays. In the pay section, you'd be able to get a record as you get in the call section. In the call logs for WhatsApp, you'll be able to get the all the record of all the payments that you have done recently, or not exactly aware about what would be the period time, as there hasn't been much of information released about this. So this was exactly what WhatsApp Pay feature is about. Now talking about when is it gonna be launching in India. So let me tell you, Mark Zuckerberg obviously is a big man, is an entrepreneur, so he hasn't like exactly told the date he'll be launching in. Initially it was about to launch in May 2019, but there were certain poking done by the government for laws and other things, due to which Facebook Pay hasn't been launched in May, and now there exactly hasn't been any fixed date been announced, but pretty much everybody can think about is early 2020, because 2019 is about to end in 1 month. I don't think so Mark Zuckerberg will be able to do that. Sorry, not challenging him. Now this was WhatsApp Pay. Make sure, if you loved the video, make sure you click on the subscribe and the like button. Again, I'll be reminding you over and over, because you guys are doing that, as I can see from the analytics. Make sure you click on the like and subscribe, because that actually matters the most. And also comment down below what you want next. Suggest if you want any topics that I should cover on the video. Tell me if there are any area of improvement, like comment something, at least comment something, so that I can know that actually audience is interacting with me. For now, I'm leaving, and make sure you follow the Instagram. Again, I'm reminding you, and stay tuned. There would be again new videos that will be coming up. I'll be covering certain new topics as well, and the phone unboxings and everything will be also coming, so make sure you check. Stay tuned. Bye bye.